Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The autocratic government of Sheikh Hasina, embedded with fascism, would have to go one day. Everybody knew that. Everybody was well informed that such kinds of government cannot continue forever. So, for 16 years, each and every one of Bangladesh, the citizens of our nation, would believe that this autocratic regime, the bad regime, would have to go from the regime, and the people of Bangladesh will get the freedom from such kinds of esteemed ruler. But this incident happened in 2024. We have seen the nation saw everything, that how this government was ousted, and this government was to go, was to depart, and was to be kicked from the power. It was observed by the nation, and it was seen by everybody. There were some proud youngsters at that time were on the street, and they did sacrifice, and it was supreme sacrifice from our youngsters to oust this autocratic government of Sheikh Hasina. But it is not the only thing in this episode. For 16 years, many people, many youngsters, many political leaders of BNP, the nationalist force, have to dedicate their life, have to supreme sacrifice for the nation at that time. A lot of killing, a lot of kidnapping, a lot of forceful disappearance, a lot of cases, sweets, and false cases, etc. A tremendous operation of that time from the government of Sheikh Hasina. So it was inevitable that this autocratic government would have to go. But now the youngsters, some of the youngsters are telling, and they were in belief, they are now in belief that they have done everything. They have done the destruction of Sheikh Hasina's regime. But it is not the correct thing. I want to say this: some youngsters are now talking about, falsely talking, brutally talking about our declarer of the independence, hero, freedom fighter, Shahid President Ziaur Rahman. They are sometimes talking about Shahid President Ziaur Rahman in a bad way. It is proved that the man who is on behalf of our independence, who is patriot, that can be judged by their by their behavior to the name of Shahid President Ziaur Rahman. So the silly talking and silly prediction about the followers of Shahid President Ziaur Rahman is not invited from such kinds of youngsters. Their contribution was on behalf of kicking out Sheikh Hasina. That's right. But it should be remembered that after the election, the people have proved that Shahid Rashtrapati Ziaur Rahman is how much popular in our nation. It is proved. It is proved. Now our Honorable Prime Minister and His Excellency Tareq Rahman is giving the leadership for the nation. The son, proud son of our declarer of independence, Shahid President Ziaur Rahman and Khaleda Zia, the savior of democracy of Bangladesh. So it is proved that the BNP, when he is in power, the people of Bangladesh got some taste of our independence. But if BNP was taken from the power several times from the episode of Bangladesh, what happened? What happened? The fascism and autocratic regime of Hussein Muhammad Ershad, 111, the dark day, the dark time of Bangladesh, and 16 years fascism of Sheikh Hasina. These 30 to 32 years of Bangladesh was out of democracy, and when BNP is in power by the vote of people, by the consensus of people, by the decision of people in election, at that time the people of Bangladesh got somewhat the taste of our independence. It is proved. So the youngsters, in the name of their parties, the new parties, the small party, I want to say they should remember that Shahid President Ziaur Rahman is a man, the historical figure, the historical political figure of Bangladesh. They should mention his name with honor, because any people in Bangladesh, if utter the name of Shahid Zia with dishonor, the future or the fate of that man is not very good or very palatable in the political arena. They should remember that. I don't want to mention the name of some of the stars nowadays. They should be alert. They should be careful, because nation does not take it very good way. The course of the nation, course of people, lakhs people, thousands of people are taking the name of Shahid President Ziaur Rahman in their heart. The heartfelt love for Shahid President Ziaur Rahman. It should be remembered. Otherwise, their political field, their street, and the history will be black and will be very much unlucky in the history of Bangladeshi politics. Thank you very much. Bangladesh Zindabad.